How to fix Telegram limit exceeded on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can fix Telegram's limit exceeded error on iPhone. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to fix the limit exceeded error on iPhone, first of all, you have to understand why this happens in the first place. This happens when you're trying to log into the same account over and over again, and that is why when you just enter the incorrect code too many times, it simply says try again later. And this could also be happening some other times when you're trying to do the same activity over and over again. The first ways though you can fix this is to open the settings app and then go to general, then go to iPhone storage, and then over here on the list of these apps you simply want to search for Telegram. So let me also go ahead and search for Telegram and then tap on it, then tap on offload button and then tap on the offload app button from the bottom. After you've done that, tap on the reinstall button in order to reinstall the Telegram app again. Now once you've done so, all you need to do is open up your app store and in the search box just type in Telegram. And once you type in Telegram, check if the Telegram app has an update. If it does, then make sure to definitely update the app to the latest version. Now sometimes this could be happening because Telegram has limited your IP address from accessing the server. So in this case, to fix this, what you need to do is, if you're using Wi-Fi, then try to switch to cellular data. And if you're using cellular data, then simply try to switch back to Wi-Fi and then see if that actually helps you solve your problem. Sometimes the issue could also be because of your internet connection. In that case, you can just switch your Wi-Fi network itself. Then in most of the cases, using a VPN is also going to help you solve the problem. So try to install the VPN app, connect it, and then open the Telegram app, and then now try to log into your account. And sometimes when it says try again later, you might simply want to wait and then simply try again later. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you in the next video.